Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know how to change your Binance password, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to change Binance password. First of all, open your Binance app on your device. Now just tap on this logo icon here on the top left corner. Now again just tap on this icon or your profile avatar. Now from here just tap on this security. Now you can see there is a couple of options. Just tap on this password. From this you can see a pop-up notification. It's saying that if you change your password now, you are not going to able to use withdrawal or P2P sale for next 24 hours. So just tap on continue. Now it will redirect you here for your 2FA verification if you enable it. In my case, I have enabled my two-factor authentication. So just paste it here. Now from here, write your new password which you want to set for your Binance and type here the new password again. After that, just tap on this confirm and it will change your password for Binance. Basically, this is how you can change your Binance password. If you think this video helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.